We maintain a permanent inventory of over 1,200 tons ready for immediate delivery. Our main product lines include aluminium bronze and tin bronze in rounds, plates, and tubes. Right behind me are C51900, C52100 tin bronze rounds in various diameters. These grades offer excellent spring properties, superior wear resistance, and outstanding corrosion resistance in marine and chemical environments. All materials come with original mill certificates and full third-party inspection reports upon request. Reliable stock, traceable quality, ready for your project.